All right, Mrs. Neal, let me just make this a little bit bigger here. In your Smartboard, if you want to go to this where it says View Screens, click on this. You want a transparent background, so you click on transparent background. It'll give you all this. Um, Go into your HMH, go to Discover, grade 6 math. That's what we want. It's not there, it's slowly loading. Scroll down to assessments. Let me scroll down here again. Whoopsie. Select Mod 5 assessment. Then go to Form B interactive mod assessment. Open it. And once you open it, down here you're able to use your tools to help the kids with what they need. So hit the start button, which is kind of buried here. Let me make this a little bigger. There we go. Hit the start button, boom, and then you can go over here, pick your pen here, and you can circle and you can underline and you can circle and grape juice, and then what is the ratio, and you can, put a box around the ratio for them or whatever you want to do. Okay. So you can do that with them. You jump around. After you do that, go back to your arrow, and then you can go to number 2. If you need to clear this, you hit this little guy right here, and that clears it. This little whatever eraser and paper clear all of it. I'll probably have to go through the test and email it, see what questions we want to eliminate for the kids. But you can go through all the questions yourself, no big deal. If you wanted to set up anything for them, bushes, you have 8 landscaper plants, 18 bushes in 36 feet. How many bushes are in 10 feet? If you want to set that up with them, that's fine. They can use a calculator. So yeah, that's how you use it. And then when you're done, you can just go back. When you're done with them, you can just go back here and hit that. It'll bring you back to your screen. Okay, and then you're good to go. Alrighty. I hope that was helpful. And I'm going to stop this. Anybody else wants to listen to it on YouTube, go right ahead.